Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with my planner for the week of March 25th through Sunday, March 31st, which is Easter. Now this one I already decorated as of last week. This is from a stamp set called He Has Risen, I believe. I don't have it here with me anymore. This cross was a gift from, I think, Tina's Crafty Life or Tina's Messy Crafty Life, or I don't know what she calls her channel nowadays. This sticker, I think, was from Target in a pack of them. This, I think, was from this stamp set, also just stamped in blue. Rejoice and be glad, for he is risen. And Easter Sunday is out of a Happy Planner book. And I think Good Friday is too. Okay, and then all the rest of the stickers were me finishing up a pack from Hobby Lobby that I got not too long ago, spring floral stickers, a month or something ago. They were in the Easter and they were already 40% off when I got them, and they're gone. I used some in my journal, and I also finished this pack, which was little birds and flowers and stuff in my journal. So yay me, finished a couple packs of stickers. I have one other one I was thinking of using for this week, but I ended up not, so that'll probably be next week. Anyway, so all these flower stickers are, and the one butterfly is out of that Hobby Lobby pack. And I, again, only wrote in this blue erasable Frixion pen. And the washi I used, the clouds and the grass, were these. And I can't remember if these were Target or Ms. Sparkle and Company or a combination of both. I have another one of this. I think this is my last grass one though, and I got good use out of them. And I have another cloud one, but it has little red or pink hearts on it. And I'm like, I didn't really want the little hearts this time. And then of course, this is my brand new Hobby Lobby one, the green day with the daisies, and this one up here and here. I love that one actually. White with the yellow. I want to call them cone flowers. I know that's probably wrong. And some little purples and some greens, and just love it. Dainty. It's very dainty and wildflowerish like, and I love that. So, what do I have for this week? I have Monday, the planner, which I'm working on the video now, and it is actually Sunday, so I'm doing it on Sunday. Double Click Connect is having, it's already been a month now, I guess, almost a month. She's having a March-April challenge. She does the little dewdrops, and reminds me I need to pull them out for something. The theme has to be either St. Patrick's or Easter. Since I'm coming to this late, it'll be Easter that I'll be making, and green or yellow. And I'll probably use both. I mean, this would be perfect for it, right? So I may incorporate this in my whatever my project is. I don't know yet. Paper and Twine's having a challenge. It's like an open collab challenge. It's hashtag PT Tag Club. And the prompt, which was from March 10th, is Faded and Sweet Shop. And I'll be making that on Monday. I think, excuse me, I believe it's monthly on the 10th of the month. So I have to get that done before April comes around. Martha Makes Art usually does her hashtag Shuffle Cut Create challenge on the 25th. So we'll see what they are for March, March into April. And I had to go mail stuff to the prize winners and Fran on Monday, USPS. So that actually will be up here somewhere. And then Tuesday, um, Nonstop Paper Crafts does her prompts for the Altered Index Card 2024 challenge. So I left space to write the prompts in, and I will be making that as soon as I see the prompts. And I have to finish making jewelry with the Potomac Beads February kit and do a video. I have a series I've been trying to do stencil a month, and I'm probably going to use the Spellbinders monthly club. Um, and you'll see that on Wednesday, and so I'll do something with that, and then also make jewelry with the Botanic Beads March Kit. That'll be on Dahlia Designs. Any of the jewelry stuff will always be on my Dahlia Designs. I just put DD, DD, DD channel. Okay, so Thursday is hashtag Deck the Year, week 13. This is where we alter a card, a playing card, a flash card. I'm using playing cards from my mother's house. And it's week 13, and I'm doing Easter because Easter Sunday is the 31st. Also, I have to make jewelry using a soft flex kit that was sent to me called Rainy Days, and and do a video to reveal that. And if I have time that day, I have some Easter egg beads. They're actually shaped like an Easter egg, but they're too heavy to me. You could make them as a necklace, but I'm going to make purse charms with them, and maybe I'll either do a live or a video. So this is a Dahlia Designs day. And then this is Good Friday. I didn't put any videos or anything up for Good Friday, but I have to catch up again still on pricing, photoing, and listing jewelry. And Saturday I left as a catch-up day, and really Sunday too. And my son and I chatted last night, and we're not going to be doing anything on Easter that's special. And I'm not buying a big ham because it's only two of us. I am gonna, well, one of these days I have to run to the store, probably Friday. Yeah, probably Friday. I'll put grocery store. We're just gonna buy a ham slice and probably have mac and cheese and broccoli or something with it. I don't know. Easter dinner items. And that's enough for us. As far as having ham. My mother used to make a really yummy creamed diced potato, parsleyed potatoes, but I shouldn't be eating them. I shouldn't be eating mac and cheese. I shouldn't be eating carbs, period. So I can eat a little bit of mac and cheese, but if I make those creamed parsley potatoes, I'll make a ton of them, and then we'll be eating them all week, and I just don't want to do that. I love them, but they don't love me. Anyway, so okay, the little saying down here is "Courage mounteth with occasion" by William Shakespeare. Okay, I didn't write the top three in. It's basically get everything done is my top three. And catch up on Dahlia Design. So I have this book. If you watched my haul, this was from Amazon, 1,000+ things to be grateful for. And I'm going to write it down here in notes because there's not much room in gratitude. So I'm going to open to a page. Let's just see here and pick something. I have my eyes closed. What did I pick? Oh, well, some kind of pizza. I landed on the last slice of pizza. Okay. Grateful for the last slice of pizza. All right. That's only on Fridays usually. And maybe we will have pizza on Friday. And sometimes the last slice of pizza is leftover and heated up in the microwave. So I'll put on Friday or Saturday morning. I didn't do a meal plan in here. We've been kind of winging it. I have to make something today, which is Sunday when I'm filming this. So that's kind of a weird gratitude. Anyway, so I don't know if I make a big meal on Sunday today. Monday will probably be leftovers again. We ate leftovers last night. Chris had one thing and I had another thing. So now the refrigerator doesn't have much in the way. It doesn't have anything in the way of leftovers. We just have a few grocery store bought things like sushi that we can snack on today, Sunday, or something. But I need to make a big meal on Sunday and probably chicken or something like that. And we'll have, I don't know, veggies with it. Tuesday will probably be some healthy, clear noodles I have with stir-fry veggies. Wednesday, maybe fish. We haven't had fish for a while. Although that should be Friday. Maybe Friday we'll have fish instead of pizza. Oopsie. Maybe we'll have pizza on Wednesday. I don't know. I don't know. See, I don't know. I had to go look at my freezer and at my pantry and see what I have that I want to make. So I'll figure it out by Monday probably. So anyway, that's what I have for this week of March 25th through March 31st. Of course, there's things like do the dishes, clean, vacuum, dust, that kind of stuff. I tend to do vacuuming and dusting on Sundays, but maybe I'll do it on Saturday this time because Sunday is Easter. And I think I'm finding I need a day to not do crafty stuff, to not do house cleaning, to just, either go out or, I don't know, me time, I'll call it. Go take a walk, go out and shop, do whatever. And I don't know what day that will be, and that's why I kind of leave these 2 days as catch up days because it could fall during the week, and it depends on the weather. Oh, so Sunday we had downpours all the way up till probably about, I don't know, 5 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock maybe. I don't know. It's later now, so I'm not sure what time it was. And thankfully, we did not get a soaking wet basement. It had just started to come in the one corner, and then the rain stopped. Yay. But, the water still has to seep into the ground, so we still kept an eye on it for an hour or two after that. And thankfully, we did not get water in the basement. It must have started to dry up before it came anymore. I'm so grateful for that, and grateful for no water in the basement. That's a more important one because, um, yeah, it just makes everything smell damp, and everything is damp, and we had to use the wet vac and rags, and it's just a mess when that happens. So anyway, we didn't get water in the basement. I am very grateful for that. And let me put little um, stars here and stars here. So I don't know if I'm going to like doing that book one. Anyway, we'll see. Okay, that's all, guys. It's 13 minutes. Oh, so sorry. Have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.